This problem is asking us to perform calculations that involve numbers written in scientific notation. So I'm going to go over how to enter these types of numbers written in scientific notation into a graphing calculator or a scientific calculator. I'm going to start with the number on the top and enter the coefficients as I see them. 4.56. Now where I see this times 10, I'm going to hit that second comma key, and you'll notice a little uppercase E show up. That means times 10. Then I'm going right into the exponent, which is 7. For the numbers on the bottom of the fraction, we're going to hit that divide key. So 1.2, second comma. And when you have a negative exponent, be careful not to hit that minus key. Rather, you want to hit that negative key. So -3. And our final number is also in the denominator. So we're going to hit divide again, 8.9. And again, where you see the times 10, hit second comma, and go right to the exponent, -1. When you press enter, you have your answer. And if it's not already in scientific notation, you can change the mode to scientific notation and have the calculator redisplay to you in scientific notation, because the problem's asking us to write our answer in scientific notation. Now, your calculator is not going to know significant figure rules, so you'll have to do that manually. So when you're multiplying or dividing, which is what we're doing here, our calculated answer has to match the number of sig figs as the measurement with the fewest number of sig figs. So this number on the top has 3 sig figs, and both these numbers in the denominator have 2 sig figs. So our answer has to have 2 significant figures. We're going to keep the 4, and to see if we keep the 2, we're going to peek at the next number, and because it's 5 or higher, we're going to round our last number up. So our final answer is going to be 4.3. Now where you see the little e for exponent, then we're going to replace that with times 10. That's what it means. And the exponent is 10. The benefit of using that exponent key on the calculator, second comma, is that it treats that as one number rather than multiple numbers. And it's also faster because you're pressing fewer keys. Now you don't have to use the exponent key. You can type in manually times 10 and raise that to a power, but then you got to use parentheses and be a little more careful with your order operations. So my advice is pick a calculator you feel comfortable using and use it all year. Don't leave it at home and use your phone one day or use your computer another day. Use the same calculator every time you do these problems. So when it comes time to take the test, it becomes second nature to you.